Hello. What we're going to do this evening is we're going to show you how I was able to create my database using Microsoft SQL Server. I'm also using the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, which is a dashboard for the server, so I can view and actually manipulate and submit my queries using this tool. So the database that I actually added to this system is called the student grades. So in order for me to query the student grades, first of all, I need to launch the query window. The window's been launched. So now I need to actually query against it. So the first query statement is going to be select asterisk, which means I can select any one of the tables I want to. The second line is going to be, I'm going to designate which table I want to use from. On this line, you can either drop the table on here, or you can hand type it. And I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. Dot student grades. And once that's complete, I just need to execute this query. There we go. Here's our results from querying against the student grades table. So what we'll do now is we'll just build off of our previous query and find out more about student grades data. So I'll give myself some space, hit enter a couple of times. Now this time I'm going to select which field columns I want to query against. So it'll be select space. I want to find out about the, let's see, the parents. Let's find out about the parents. The first one's going to be the parent ed. Put a semicolon, space, parent marital status, and let's see. Let's find out how these kids get to school. Let's add oops, that should be a semicolon. No, I'm sorry. That actually should be a comma. After marital parental status, another comma. And then transport means. We're gonna find out how these kids get to school. And that is it. So we still have to designate which table we're getting these from. So we're still getting these from the DBO student grades. And now we need to execute this query. So it actually, when you run the query the second time, it actually runs the query twice. The first query runs the same as the previous query, but the second query actually shows you the fields only that you designated with our parent ed, parent marital status, and transmission means. And that is generally how you submit queries within the Microsoft SQL table. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time. Bye.